There are many imaginations about the sky. When the sky becomes a new scene of future technology, a new era is rising. DAMODA is becoming an unprecedented practitioner and pioneer of this sky revolution. We have perfectly integrated drone show technology with culture and art, lighting up every corner of the world with the innovation. Since its establishment in 2016, as a world-leading supplier of drone show equipment, DAMODA has achieved remarkable results. It has been on CCTV Spring Festival Gala for 6 consecutive times. It broke the Guinness World Record for the most drones simultaneously controlled by one computer. With over 10,000 drones, it is successively stationed in more than 100 cultural tourism, scenic spots, and theme parks across the country. Occupying over 60% of the market share, it has carried out over 20 million flight sorties with global partners, and its market map covers more than 50 countries and regions. The V3, with its independently developed takeoff and landing technology inside the docking case, has successfully broken through the limitations of space and venue. Based on the V3, V4 is equipped with the world's first commercial solution of Nest-type automatic charging. With a dual power supply system, it officially ushers the drone light show into a new era of single deployment, unlimited flights. The newly added intelligent parachute device directly improves flight safety to 99.999%. The upgraded IP54 protection standard enables the drones to maintain stable flight performance even in light rain. In the field of large-scale events, DAMODA has achieved simultaneous performances with Pyro Drone Show and Drone Light Show. In the field of cultural tourism residency, it has integrated with large stage scenery to create an immersive scene experience. In the field of urban lighting, it has built new infrastructure for urban lighting to promote the prosperous development of the night economy. Meanwhile, DAMODA was the first to perfectly integrate drone show performance with urban landmarks, creating a unique new era of aerial intelligent media advertising. To promote the global development of aerial intelligent media advertising, DAMODA actively collaborates with ecological partners in the industry, connecting the core commercial landmarks of more than 50 well-known countries and regions at home and abroad, such as Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Macau, Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Chongqing, Chengdu, Wuhan, Australia, Singapore, Dubai, Japan, and South Korea, into an aerial intelligent media advertising network covering the globe, injecting new vitality into brand communication and the development of the global new economy. Currently, the low-altitude economy is stepping into a new era of high-quality development. DAMODA adheres to the vision that intelligent technology makes life better and joins hands with high-quality industry partners to build an ecosystem of co-construction, sharing, win-win, and common prosperity with customers and partners, jointly painting a magnificent blueprint for the prosperous development of the low-altitude economy.